Hello everyone. So I've been practicing drawing over the last few weeks and posting on Instagram. So when I was choosing some canvases to print, I decided to pop in one of the practices. I ordered them and then I was waiting patiently, and today the first one arrived. So I thought I'd do one of those unboxing things. And but oh god, I'm sorry about my nails, they're disgusting. I just wanted to let you know that the premium gloss canvas paper I chose is fabulous. I suppose all that's left to do is frame it. Thank you. Bye.